Hello, dears. Myself, Dr. Ashik. Today, I come in front of you because of a request of many people here. So, what I know, I have to share with you for sure because it's a duty of a doctor. So, the June attempt of FMG exam, MCA exam, right, 2021, many people have failed, around 8,000 people. The pass percentage was low, 20 to 23 percentage. So, around that much people have failed. So, the question is how to prepare for December 2021 exam. How to, like those who are going to write, who are graduated now, those who are going for 2021 December exam, what you have to do? Everyone is panic, doctor, will I make it? Can I do it? Will I be, I'm a average student, I'm a below average student, can I do it? Of course. So the answer is simply yes. Why yes? There is no other answer. Yes or no? No. The complete answer is in the first go you will make it for sure. First thing is you have to believe you are going to make it for sure. That is 100%. Yeah, I'm going to make it for sure. So small tips from my experience, from my seniors' experience, from every experience, I'm going to say you. The main thing, the basic reason people are failing in the exam, there are different sources in the market, different institution in the market, everything. So people like the students, what they do, they will try to touch up everything. So it become overloaded in the brain. So everyone brain have a limit, right? So main thing, once again, I'm saying you choose only 10 subjects. Remember, if you make thorough the 10 subjects, you are sure going to make it. No need to do the 19 subject. Of course, no one can finish it, right? So the small subject like forensic medicine, other like if you are doing ENT, leave Afta. If you are doing Afta, leave ENT. Leave matlab give only short time. So manage. So choose the 10 subject. First you choose the subjects you like. So make it thorough. You are done, right? And exam is 300 question. And out of that, you need only 150 to pass. My God, you can make 150 wrong answers there. So who is going to stop us, right? Can you imagine if I am guessing 100 question, how much I can make correct? At least 20, for sure, I will make it correct. So it's an easily doable exam. The main thing we are telling our brain, we are making it panicking. So choose any notes, that can be any institution, and make 10 subject thorough every day. Read that notes, revise, revision. Do MCQ, do more practice. Don't climb everywhere, everything. So that will make you confused, your brain confused, and that can make you in dilemma. First thing, I'm average. Can I do it? Of course I can do. Everyone have did it already. So 150 out of 300. If you score 150 or 300, doesn't matter. It's a license exam. It's a screening exam. You are screened. You are in. It's not a competition there. So you cannot compare. People compare this exam with the PG or USMLE or UK exam. Never do it. It's a license. I crossed the barrier, done. I'm done. Everyone can do it. Everyone already done it. That must be in your brain, first of all, right? So first thing, choose 10 subject. That I am going to do, clinical and from basic subject. Second thing, read the notes. And better, I will suggest you, if you start watching videos or some people may not have time. That is the main thing. They will go 3 or 4 months, complete 4 videos, then they will not have time. So better stick on notes. If you have that much time, only go for video, rapid revision or something. Otherwise, better is focus on notes. Do the notes every day. Do MCQ, 10 or 20 MCQ every day. Then you are going to make it. Main thing is previous year's papers. You will get it. It's in the Google internet. Previous year's papers is the main thing. PG exams of India and MCA exams of India previous years. Do it. You can get a lot of repetition from there. Lot of concepts from there. That is going to come for your exam. No need to study PG or no need to study vast. Actually, the scenario is an ocean. And the exam, they will ask you just a bucket of water. There's an ocean. There's a bucket of water. And you are going to answer in a glass. After the exam, you are going to make understand. Whoever who graduate now, they're oh, my exam. Of course, I'm saying you, after the exam, it was an easy piece of cake, doctor. Anyone can do it. For sure, you will do it. So please don't do the same mistake many are doing. Don't do everything. Focus, stick on 10 subject. Second thing, revision. Third thing is believing in yourself, right? See, if someone need, I cannot make a big video, of course, everyone likes short video. If someone need more guidance, more help from me, it's completely free of cost. You can WhatsApp me. I will add my WhatsApp number here, right? You can talk to me. For sure, I will be guiding you in whatever help I can do. for sure. I'm not saying you I'm a complete person or something, but I will do whatever help I can do from my side. For sure, it's a doable exam. Once again, if you decided to be doctor, like a licensed doctor in India, sure, no one can stop you, right? And if you decide, everyone will with you, the world, energy, the God, everyone. So remember, never ever give up who failed. Sure, you are going to make it. Others, remember, it's a doable exam. Do the power play from now. Do like the best you can do, right? So hope you got it. Soon you are going to make your parents proud, yourself happy, and your enemy jealous. All the best. See you soon, doctors. Thank you.